Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and install the Remini AI photo enhancer into your phone. Remini app is an AI app that you can use to generate AI images, AI photos of yourself that you can also use to generate AI avatars of yourself and also use to enhance your old pictures, your pixelated pictures. There are so many things you can do with this Remini AI app. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can download and install it. So guys, now the first step that you have to take now is to go over to your Play Store. I'm going to tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android phone, but in case you're using an iPhone, what you have to do is to go over to your App Store. So guys, let me tap on my Play Store right away. So guys, once you open up your Play Store, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your search icon. You can see there at the top left corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step now is to type in the word Remini AI app. So let me type it in, Remini AI app. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on search or you tap on enter below. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the Remini app there, the red and white logo. So guys, let me tap on it so you're going to see it clearly and vivid. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the app there, Remini AI photo enhancer. As you can see here, this app has a star rating of 4.3, which means people are actually saying good things about it. Let me swipe to the left. So guys can see here, this app has a downloads of over 100 million. That means over 100 million persons are actually using this app right now. So guys, now for you to download this app, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written install. Once you tap on it, it's going to start downloading. Then after the download is complete, it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, let me tap on install already. So let me tap on it. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. Can see it has started downloading. As can see there is at 16%. So what you have to do now is to wait till it gets to 100%, then it will be fully downloaded. So guys, after it's fully downloaded, it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, let's just wait for a few seconds. You can see it's getting to 100%. So guys, now you can see 100%. So guys, now you can see it has started installing. So guys, now you can see it's done installing. So what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written enable. So let me tap on enable. Then you tap on open. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the app is loading. So let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see we have successfully downloaded and installed the Remini AI app into our phone. So what you have to do now is to start using this app. And for you to start using it, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written get started. Then you can follow through the process to start using this app to generate amazing AI photos, AI images, AI avatars of yourself. So guys, in case you want to know how to use the Remini app to generate amazing AI images that looks 100% like you, what you have to do is to go over to the description of this video. There's a link there that will teach you how you can use this app to generate amazing AI images of yourself. They are going to be real, they're going to be realistic, they are going to be amazing and beautiful. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.